Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 14th algorithm video, and in this video we would be finding the number of squares that are less than a given number. For example, we are given a number of 15, right? Then I will be making a variable of count of squares and I give it a value of 0. Okay, then I make a for loop for I in range 1 till number plus 1. Okay, so if I raised to power 2 is less than your number, then I increment the count of squares by 1. Okay, and what if this if condition is true for that particular iteration, I can also print what is that perfect square. Okay, and when that for loop is completed, I can also print the number of count squares that have been found, right? So as you can see, the count squares is 3, meaning thereby that we could only find 3 perfect squares. And what were those perfect squares? 1, 4 and 9. Now if I change the number to say 9, we could only found 2 perfect square that fulfills our condition. And what were those perfect square? It is 1 and 4. I hope you liked the video. Please share, subscribe and press the bell icon button. Thank you very much.